So just one question to you from me: that why blank canvas and why did you? I mean, tell me the reason of coming on Glamour calendar at a short notice and just said yes to us.
I'll be very honest. The designer Gagan is a dear friend, and he called me, and that's it. Yeah, I think I'm being very honest. I'm a very honest person, blunt person. So it's for Gagan. I'm here, and thank you, Gagan, for getting me on board.
So I'm very glad we have all the people. A big hand to everyone. A big hand to all my sponsors, all my teammates, and we have two big IPs, OMG and Glamour, going up today with my company Blank Canvas. And Rohit, closing notes from you.
So first of all, thank you everyone, guys, for being a part of this journey. We don't know how this will happen, but we'll have fun along the way for sure. And special thanks for you guys to kind of able to come back and support everything that Parimal and yeah. And thank you to the press, which has actually come out in full glory. So thanks a lot. We'll keep you guys updated along the way on everything that's happening, right from the calendar to the contest to the pageant, and finally to the education platform that we're launching. So Parimal, thanks a lot. All the best.
Sir, also good to go.
Correct. It's very exciting. I'm just waiting for this thing to come out.
So the calendar is going to come to you.
Oh, yes. I'm desperate.
Thanks, guys. Thanks.
कितने excited हैं आप कैलेंडर 2021
Honestly, बहुत excited हूँ और स्पेशली पोस्ट कोविड चीज़ें आर लुकिंग अप फॉर एवरीवन, ऑल ऑफ अस, पूरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए, फैशन के लिए, फिल्म्स के लिए, सबके लिए. सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ ब्राइट न्यूज़ एंड परिमल बीइंग अ गुड फ्रेंड एंड इट बीइंग अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव. जैसा मैंने पहले भी बोला कि कॉन्सेप्ट ही बहुत बढ़िया है कि ट्रांसजेंडर इक्वालिटी के लिए, सो दोस्ती के लिए और एक कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए, तो बहुत एक्साइटेड. देखिए, कुछ ज़्यादा रिवील नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन थोड़ा एथनिक की तरफ और कैलेंडर है ये बहुत रिच और मोर और लेस ब्राइड ग्रूम कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर है, तो काफ़ी आप लोग हमें अच्छी अचकनों में और शेरवानी वगैरह में देखेंगे. अगेन देखिए, परिमल के साथ पुरानी दोस्ती है. आई थिंक मैं इनके लिए सबसे पहले जो इनका आज से 3 साल पहले बॉम्बे टाइम्स फैशन वीक में भी मैं इनका शो स्टॉपर था, तो तब इन्होंने एक डिज़ाइनर के साथ कोलैब किया था. सो दिस टाइम इन दे कॉल्ड अप की विपुल, तो सो आई सेड यस. और अगेन कॉन्सेप्ट ही बहुत बढ़िया है और मैं हमेशा से मेरा एक जुड़ाव रहा है कि इक्वालिटी टुवर्ड्स एवरीवन. सो आई थिंक दैट्स माय वे ऑफ गिविंग इट टू स्टैम्प लगाने के लिए कि हाँ ऐसा होना चाहिए. जी जी, सुपर. आई नो रोहित फॉर एजेस, लाइक हम लोग क्रिकेट भी बहुत एक साथ खेल चुके हैं एंड अगेन वी फ्रेंड्स हैं. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई दिल से विशेज़ हैं, मेरी दुआएं हैं कि इनका कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छा चले, बिकॉज बहुत यूनिक है ये. जो कोविड का टाइम था उसने वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड को बहुत हाईलाइट कर दिया है, तो इस टाइम पे अगर कोई पेजेंट हो रहा है और फुल एंडेवर से हो रहा है, तो आई थिंक हम सबको उसको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. देखिए, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही नॉवल कॉन्सेप्ट है. आप सब इस आप कैलेंडर देखिए, फ्यूजी जैसी बड़ी एक कंपनी जो वो भी इससे कोलैबोरेट कर रही है, तो आप लोग इस स्पेस को देखते रहिए, बिकॉज आपको बहुत कुछ अच्छा देखने को मिलेगा. पूरे साल की डेट्स तो मिलेंगी, लेकिन साथ में काफ़ी अच्छे विजुअल्स भी मिलेंगे. राइट, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. So Parimal and I actually go back a long way. जब अनीता और मेरा वो जो कंपनी था बैकटॉक, I don't know if you recall, but Parimal has a bag brand which is listed on that platform also. So काफ़ी सालों की दोस्ती है. अब हमने बोला दोस्ती को थोड़ा बिजनेस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं and let's see how it goes. So that's how it has happened. So we actually thought of this last year during the pandemic when we were meeting and we were figuring out कि कुछ अलग करना ज़रूरी है. And Parimal belongs to the modeling industry. He has his connects. He has a full-blown academy already running, which is offline. हमने बोला इसको पूरा digital करते हैं वन टू वन करने की कोशिश करेंगे, क्योंकि जनता कहीं पे भी हो सकती है, राइट? सो एंड दैट्स हाउ द एंटायर आइडिया ऑफ एन ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म केम इन. करेक्ट. एक्चुअली वही आइडिया, आई थिंक कोविड ओनली वाज एन इंस्पिरेशन टू अस. So Anita, like you said, you saw the video. She obviously, because Glamour and Anita go hand in hand, तो उनके कुछ ना कुछ इनपुट्स आते रहते हैं कि ऐसा राउंड होना चाहिए, कि कुछ अलग राउंड होना चाहिए. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डबूज के साथ जब हम प्लान कर रहे हैं, वो एकदम हटके राउंड है एकदम. सो ऑल दीज स्मॉल स्मॉल आइडियाज़ कीप कमिंग फ्रॉम अनीता. कौन सा कैलेंडर? ये ग्लैमॉन. The Glamon calendar is very interesting because for the first time you'll have a assortment of different faces, international, national faces, all kinds of genders, and it's going to be amazing because it's shot outside of Bombay. एक जगह हमने ढूंढी है जहाँ पे it will be a full outdoor shoot, and we've got some very very cool talent already. यार, you know Anita, we are due in Feb. 12th of Feb is the lucky day. So अभी तो अनीता तो घर से निकल भी नहीं सकती है. So that is where we are. So I mean, the only thing that we keep saying, Anita and me, to all the fans is thank you so much. We love you guys a lot. We never considered you all as fans. We would always say that you guys are fams, which is family, and we love everybody of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You. Okay. So I started with a company called Parimal Modeling Academy and Parimal Model Management, which you've seen on the screen when we started. It was a journey of getting grooming for new talents who are upcoming and who are know how in Mumbai where to go and how to get themselves groomed. In our glamour industry, we always think about people are being misleaded a lot, and the only objective we got on the plate was that we wanted to make sure that these people get the right knowledge who come from out of Bombay, and they get the right guidance to move into the industry. Moreover, they work on their fears and they are judgment free and they can become a good talent. That's how our journey for 2 years have been successful, and we just thought of merging together with Rohit and forming a new company called Blank Canvas, because we wanted to give an end-to-end solution to the entire objective of the glamour industry, where a person sitting from anywhere across India can just come up, learn with us, either online or offline, and make sure that he or she can step into the industry without any fear, without any social taboos, without anything which can make them go down. That's the best thing which I find about Blank Canvas, and that's why Blank Canvas has come up with this property called OMG, which is a big platform for a lot of youth to come up and participate and become the face of the year, and also get endorsed by big brands and a lot of people and become socially famous. So that's the association. Rohit has been a very dear friend. We've known each other from Backtalk when I have my brand Hora, and we just share the same floor on the office. So we've been talking about on this venture during the lockdown. Lockdown has done good to us, is that this company started off. So lockdown has always helped us to make this company form, and we're very happy and excited with these two ventures going out together at the same time. I think 2021 has got a lot of luck for all of us and to every one of us. Right. So calendar ke bare mein I'm very excited because this calendar came up with the idea of Fuji launching their brand, and Fuji has been a very powerful partner in their cameras and video cameras. So I'm very happy that they just came up with an idea that we want to shoot, and we said yes. The idea of doing calendar this year is going to talk about brides, and I think more on this my friend Priyank can always highlight, because the entire concept is going to revolve around brides, and we wanted to always show brides with the freedom, brides with different moods. And basically, we're launching this calendar with brides, and the revolution is that why can't be a transgender be a bride? So this revolution in India is a must, where any transgender has the right to dream of being a bride. The looks will be revealed very soon on the calendar launch, and you all will be invited again to witness the calendar. Due to these current COVID issues, we had to wrap up and we had to make this thing right now. But
The calendar is most importantly going to make a lot of sense of showing not only the brides, the jewelry, the creative patterns of blank canvas. Our objective in blank canvas is to show that we are an end-to-end solution again for even doing calendars or catalog shoots and having the best creative talent in India associated with us. So calendars have faces like Mrinal Jain, Vipul Gupta, and we have Vipul, we have Iris here, she was here. Iris has also been a very dear friend. We have Zoya Froze. She's not turned up right now, but she's also part of the calendar. We have supermodels like Jaspal Korchana. We've got, we've got Vaibhav Maurya. We've got, people like Vijaya Day. Even she's here around. So we have people. We have a big band of models, and the cover page is going to be super exciting. I'm just waiting for the day we shoot, and my location partners are being set. And trust me, the calendar is always going to have a hype every year on the excitement to see the calendar every year.
I'm very much excited for his calendar shoot, and I'm very much excited for all models, how they look in a calendar. So, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
I'm pretty excited about the calendar. The concept is really great, and a dear friend of mine, Gagan, who's the designer. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the calendar. 2020 साल बहुत ही ज़्यादा वियर्ड था. It started off with the thing कि चलो कोई नहीं, 1-2 महीने में it's going to be all right, but that wasn't the case. Every month there was a build-up of anxiety, tension, work-wise, but then in the month of August I lost my dad, which was earth-shattering for me. So coming back from that place to today in the month of January, I think I'm in a better state, and I'm looking forward to a better year, I think, for everyone. Let there be hope, let there be health, and let there be some prosperity. I can't hear you, sorry.
What was the main reason that you collaborated?
The main reason why I collaborated with this brand is, as I told you, a very dear friend Gagan, who's a designer for the same, he called me and he asked me to be a part of this, and it was a very sweet gesture for them to also call and ask for the collaboration. So I said, yeah, why not? Thank you so much. So Big Boss has always been very controversial and entertaining as well, because दूसरों के लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है उसमें मसाले में सबको मज़ा आता है. But इस साल I have not been watching that closely. Last year was fun. Last year was crazy good. This year is okay, on and off. I watch at times. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. Come on, please put your hands together. Give me. Say, give it. Give it. Give it. Thank forward for this cake cutting ceremony. Thank you.
3 cheers for Blank Canvas! Don't worry, सब बाद में घर पे Thanks for coming, guys.
Thanks. Thank you so much everyone to be here.
Wait.
अरे रुके ना
इधर लेफ्ट में इधर
We have the energy of your claps, everybody. Please put your hands together. When we are kneeling and celebrating this wonderful moment with Blank Canvas. So this is Waves Gently.
It's a great pleasure to have you all today to us for this journey which we're just starting in Blank Canvas with me and Rohit. I think it's been a while we will be thinking about getting this company up and running for end-to-end solution in the glamour industry, where we are talking about not only nurturing the talent coming up, we're also talking about these people to be placed in the industry with giving them platforms. Moreover, I'll give it to Rohit. I think he should talk about the entire Blank Canvas vision, because he's been the co-thinker, I should say, and he's just driven me every day, man, to make sure to reach people in the targets. 1 second.
Well, on the targets, I don't know where we are, but so thanks guys. Good evening to everyone. Thank you guys for joining us in this celebration. What we did was, when we launched Blank Canvas, we said that in India today we don't have a platform wherein people can actually come and showcase their skill, their talent, or be a part of a pageant, for example. And that's when we said that what's actually missing from this entire industry is a platform that can actually groom you, teach you how to kind of be presentable and go out there to kind of make a mark in the society, right? And that's where the whole idea around Blank Canvas came in, wherein Blank Canvas is essentially a learning platform, a display platform, and an opportunity to earn platform. So we have 3 vectors as such. On the learning front, we've got online education, probably from the best of best from the industry, who will come and teach you various aspects of modeling, grooming, presenting yourself, and these are all online, pay-per-view, or you can actually download all of them together. It's going to be available on an online platform. We will also have an offline leg to it, wherein you will have Parimal and his entire team working round the clock to kind of get you the best face-to-face interaction as possible, and also to impart this kind of knowledge face-to-face. On the second aspect of it, what we also realized was that we needed a platform, a pageant, which could actually, where people could kind of come and display their skills and stuff, and that's where the birth of OMG Face of the Year happened. So OMG is India's first truly digital pageant, which basically will enable you end-to-end to kind of participate and compete with thousands of people from the country and from the comfort of your home. And the third and the last leg to the entire thing is the talent management arm that we are building for people who are actually trying to make a mark in their society and in the industry. How do you kind of go take their case to the publication houses, to the OTT channels, to brands, all of that. So 3 essential vectors that we are building on, and we are very glad to kind of have people like you all to come and support it. Thank you.
So moving forward, one is OMG Face of the Year, which he has already Rohit has just spoken to. The second big thing which we're doing is the calendar this year, the calendar 2021. And I'm very super excited to introduce you to everyone who's going to be a part of the calendar as well as the part of OMG. My partners, my associate, who's associated with us, who's believed us, most important, that the venture which we just started, and they have given that entire, they've come forward to help us completely and to make sure that we create this vision with them and make it larger than life. The calendar is going to get shot in this week, and soon we'll announce the launch of the calendar. We'll show you, before that, we have Rajendra Jain, ex-chairman of Swarovski, who's here today, and he's come to give us all his wishes. And he was one person who's also very fond of the glamour industry and the talents, and he gave me a big push when I went to talk to him about OMG Face of the Year. And he was a person who said, no, you should do this, and it is a great objective to get the talents ahead. Nevertheless, my very short meet with Archana has just got us very good friends, and she believes in Blank Canvas as an entire company. She is very good in educating people, and that's what we look upon to her, and the association will go further. We have Vipul. Vipul is one of the most important person whom I've met, and through my friendship, a long way we go. And Vipul doesn't need an introduction, right from Tanaji to various commercials, also to special ops. Vipul is a part of our calendar, and that's the biggest thing, and we're starting off with the first news that Vipul is our first person to really highlight from the calendar. I'll just call a couple of people who are here in the calendar who are a part of us. And we have Gagan Kumar. Mr. Gagan? I think Gagan is just running here. We have Priyank. Priyank, please come. Our photographer for the calendar Glamour 2021. We have our associate and the main title sponsor here, who is going to represent as Fujifilm. Fujifilm has been coming up with its own camera, which is going to be used for this fashion, especially for photography and for jewelry, and that's why Fuji has associated the calendar as a title sponsor. We have Ketki on behalf of Fuji here. I'll just invite her to be here. Please give her a big hand, guys. We also have ZK Pro as our, so Gagan has been our designer for the calendar. He's been running away here and there. That's what it is. And we have ZK Pro as our official makeup partner. Comes with. Just a glimpse of the revolution of the calendar which we are going to have, and the look will be revealed very soon. The biggest revolution which we are getting on the calendar is our very own Ivanka Das. Ivanka. The calendar is all about brides, and we're talking about Ivanka being one of our brides in the calendar, and this is going to be news. Please come. And then we have a couple of our models and supermodels who are here. One, we're still waiting for some to come, but basically we have Rolla, Sri Radhe, please come. Weber. Our faces for this year's calendar, there are many, you have not been seeing all, but they are here and they are part of the calendar. And yes, not forgetting OMG, my heart, where it is the first ever revolution which we started with blank canvas with Rohit thinking about it. We have our partners there as well. We have support from all ends, from everyone. I am especially thanking Skinworks to be our powered by sponsor. And on behalf of Skinworks, we have Ritika. I got confused with Ritika and Kitty. Ritika has been a part of Dr. Priti Shenoy's team, and she's been, they have been our skincare partner and basically the powered by sponsor. We've been missing out on Mr. Pankaj Kharbanda, the person who's handling the man behind Guru Mr. India and Miss India Elite, who has given the platform for OMG finalists to come. The winners of OMG will be a wildcard entry in Mr. and Miss India for the next year. We are truly happy for having them on board as a partner. And we also have, if I'm missing out somebody, we have Shine Shilpi, our partner for Glamour calendar, the jewelry partner, who has been on this calendar, but unfortunately he is not available here. And did I miss out on someone? We have Biceps, yes, as our protein partner. Nutrition partner for OMG, Youth, looking at proteins and looking at nutrition. We have them as our online partner. If I'm missing out, yes. And our location for Glamour. Glamour is going to be shot in Vada at Honeybook Studio, and they are our location partners as well. So this is the entire history of the people who just joined us. And I'm very happy in a short notice I got people to come up, like Rajendra Bhai and Archana. Special thanks to both of you. I'm just going to hand over the mic to Archana to talk a little bit, and then with Vipul, because I need you to tell me about the Glamour calendar and what you feel. Invite you to participate with us. 1 second.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to congratulate you all for the passion that you have for all your amazing concepts, and I wish you all the very best. I hope you're doing really, really well. I'm very happy to be here to support you.
How about Rajendra Bhai?
Thank you first, Parimal, inviting me to be part of this launch event. And I would like to congratulate Parimal and the entire team for the launch of their new company. And two prestigious properties, what you mentioned, is one OMG Face of the Year and the beautiful, incredible models calendar. So my best wishes and good luck to the entire team. Thank you.
So first we'll ask Vipul, because being a celebrity, being a star, we're very happy to have him on board. I just had one call and he said, yes bro, I'm there for you, don't worry. And so, what excited you for Glamour?
First of all, I would like to congratulate and for this great initiative called OMG. And fingers crossed, I think, as you said, it's going to be pioneer of sorts, and it's going to do really well for you guys and for all of us. And the other thing is friendship, first of all. And the other thing is the whole concept here. I was really taken aback by the concept, and in the sense it's wow, it's something which is really path-breaking. And she being the center of the whole calendar is in itself a great thing. So just there to support it. It's a great initiative and would love to do it.
I would ask this question to Fuji, because he has been representing Fuji. The first people who said immediately yes on the calendar was Fuji, and they said just go and do it. And it was the last minute where they pressurized me, so I've been doing this calendar now. So how does Fuji think about this entire calendar to work out now? Thank you.
Proper justice to your show.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So here we have all the people. Not to forget, OMG has two big names associated this year as the jury and mentors. We have this biggest news for you for OMG Face of the Year, where we're going to get a virtual photography done for the first top 5 male and top 5 female. This is itself is an initiative of in technology, which has been none other than who's handling it is Dabu Ratnani. Unfortunately, Dabu Ratnani is not here today because he's shooting and he's been on his way. He's trying to reach here right now. But before he comes and before we end up this session, we wanted to announce his name that Dabu Ratnani is the mentor and the jury among OMG Face of the Year, along with Mr. World 2016, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Rohit Khandelwal. So we're very happy to get them on board as an OMG team, and they are also going to be there virtually available for our entire contest, guiding the contestants and everyone. We're very excited to have such team and make such 2 IPs, which is the first initiative to do it. Nevertheless, we've been searching for Gagan being one of the designers, and he's been a close friend to me as well. It was a very last minute to talk to him and plan. But Gagan, why Canada?
Because it's Parimal.
So that's him. He's always going to give me a prompto answers and just tell me in one place. But Ivanka, what excited you to get on the calendar? This is a special moment for us to get you on board, and it was very too fast to get you on the calendar. I think we just kept in one day. So I'll give the line to Ivanka. I'll give the phone to the mic to Ivanka.
Sorry, I'm being
Hi
complicated.
everyone. First of all, I'd like to say about my things which I really feel about a fashion, that is, it's just about of yourself where you can imagine as far you can. But just तरीके से the way I got call from inside, it was just like, yeah, this is something which has to be there. And being a woman, of course, तरीका होना चाहिए to be able to execute yourself and project yourself to be on that platform where you really can execute your, I think, your soul. Anything, way anything. So it is honor. Like I'm honored. Thank you.
It's going to be very exciting to reveal the look of Ivanka, which I'm also very excited to see when the calendar launches. But there are big plans about launching Ivanka. We also have some pages coming up right now. We all. In the meantime, we have a very known face in the commercial industry, Sri Radhe, who's been here. So Sri, what gets you on the Glamon? Let's understand that.
So first of all, you should know something about Parimal, that he's always up to something. And a friend of mine introduced me via her, and we've done some amazing work. So obviously, when OMG was introduced, I had to be a part of it, whether very actively in front or at the back. So I'm very glad to be a part of this family, and we know that together we're going to make it a big success.
Okay, we have one small video to play for you people. This was a part of the Glamon calendar, apart from Vipul. The second strong face we have is Mrunal Jain. Mrunal has been actively with us for knowing us for their TPL, and we've been participating with him as well. He's agreed to be a part of the calendar, and he's also going to shoot the calendar with us. Here's what he has to say.
Hey everyone, this is Mrunal Jain. Firstly, I'm very excited to be a part of the Glamon calendar 2021. And a big hearty congratulations to Parimal and Rohit Reddy for launching their new venture called as Black Canvas. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to rock with this new venture, and I look forward to seeing you all and look forward to being on the calendar.
Thank you, Mrunal.